Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your Motorola Moto E40. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil on the left corner, then scroll down, find screen record here in this block, and then press and hold and drag to top to add like this. So for saving your editing, tap back. Now when we add this button, press it, and before start recording we got show touches on screen. This position of switcher, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.